ಹಲೋ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು SSLC ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 2021ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ with the first question. If, as you can see, the first question is if A 3,8, B -4,2 and C 5, -1 are the vertices of triangle ABC, then what is its area? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 verticesಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So let it be this one x1 and y1, this be x2 y2 and this be x3 and y3. So now as we know, the area of triangle is equal 1/2 into bracket x1 into bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula to find the area of given triangle. So this is equal 1/2 into bracket, what is x1? x1 is 3 into y2 is 2 minus y3 minus of minus plus 1 plus x2 is -4, so we will make this as -4 into y3, that is -1 minus y1, that is 8, then x3 plus 5 into y1 is 8 minus y2 is 2. So when we substitute, this is equal to illenagatte andre 1/2 into bracket 3, this is 3 into 3 minus this is 4 into -9, this will be plus 5 into 8 minus 2 is 6. So this is equal 1/2, 3 3s are 9, minus into minus becomes plus, 9 4 the 36, this is plus 5 6 the 30. So this is equal to 1/2 into, this is 30 plus 30, 60 plus 6 66, and this is 975. So this can be written as, this is equal to 2 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 1 14, 7s are 1 left. So this is 37 is to 1/2. So what is the answer for this one? The answer is option B, 37 is to 1/2 square units. So next question is the points A 0,6, B -5,3 and C 3,1 are the vertices of triangle which is. So what of type of triangle ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ವರ್ಟೈಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ AB. So AB, distance between AB is equal to AB is equal to square root of, so what is the formula to find the distance between any two points is D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will use this formula to find the distance between the points. So distance between A and B is this is x2 -5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 3 minus 6 whole square, 3 minus 6 whole square So this is equal to this is minus 5 square is 25 and plus 3 minus 6 is minus 3 square is 9. So this is 25 plus 9 equals 34, square root of 34. AB equals square root of 34. Now we will find what is BC. So BC equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 3 minus of minus 5, that is 3 plus 5 whole square, plus 1 minus 3 whole square. So this is equals 3 plus 5 is 8 square is 64, plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square is 4. So this is 64 plus 4 is square root of 68. So now we will find CA, that is CA equals square root of x2, that is 0 minus 3 whole square, plus 6 minus 1 whole square, 6 minus 1 whole square. So this is equals, that is minus 3 square is 9, plus 6 minus 1 is 5 square is 25. So 9 plus 25 is square root of 34. Now we can see these two sides are equal, that is BC is 68 units, square root of 68 units, and CA. So these two sides are AB and AC are equal. So therefore this triangle is isosceles triangle. So next one, if the points A 2, 3, B 5, K and C 6, 7 are collinear, then the value of K is. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ A B C ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಲೈ ಆನ್ ಎ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್, that is area of triangle A equals 1 over 2 into bracket, that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula to find the area of triangle. So area of triangle is 0 here. So this is 0 equals 1 over 2 into bracket. What is x1? x1, so we will write here. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. Now we will substitute the values. X1 is 2 into y2 minus y3. What is y2? y2 is k minus y3 is 7 plus x2. What is x2? x2 is 5 into y3 minus y1. y3 is 7 minus y1 is 3 plus x3 is 6 into y1 is 3 minus y2 is again k. So we will solve. We will multiply this 2 into this side, that is 2 into 0 is equals 2 into k, that is 2k minus 2 into 7 14 plus 5 into 7 35 minus 5 3 is 15, then plus 6 3 is 18 minus 6 into k is 6k. Now as we can see, this is 2 into 0 is 0. This is equal, this is 2k and this is minus 6k. So we will left with minus 4k, that is minus 4k. This is minus 14. Here is minus 15. that is minus 29 ಆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನು 35 plus 18, so 8 and 5 is 13, carry 1, this is 53, I think so, this is 53. So 3 minus 9 is 3 minus 9, 13 minus 9 is 4, carry 1, this is 5 minus 3 is 24, this is 24. So this will be 24 minus 4k. We will transfer this 4k onto this side, that is plus 4k. 4k is equals 24, 4 ones are 4 6, therefore k equals 6. So the answer is B, option B. The value of k is 6. So next one, if p minus 1 comma 1 is the middle point of line segment joining a minus 3 comma b and b 1 comma b plus 4, then the value of b is, we have to find the value of b here. So p, this point, so this point is the middle point of the line segment AB, middle point of the line segment AB. So we'll use the formula, that is p of x comma y for middle point is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula. So p of xy is, that is p of minus 1 comma 1 equals x1. So we will write here what are, this is x1 and y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So we will substitute the values. x1 is minus 3 plus x2 is 1 divided by 2 comma y1 is b, this is b plus y2 is b plus 4 divided by 2. So now we can see this is minus 1 comma 1 equals, this is minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 divided by 2. So this will be 2b plus 4 divided by 2. So as we can see, this is this get cancels, this is minus 1 comma 2 is common here, b plus 2 divided by 2. So 2 get cancels here. So we can see this is minus 1 comma 1. So these are equal. So these two are equal and these two are equal. Now equating. So after equating we will get that is b plus 2 equals 1. So we will transfer this 2 onto right hand side, that is b equals 1 minus 2. So b equals minus 1. So this is the value of b, the option B, that is the value of b is minus 1. So next question. So this is a little bit easy one. X-axis divides the join of P and Q. The point P is given as minus 4 comma 2 and the point Q is given as 8 comma 3 in the ratio. So this is the dividing point. The x-axis divides, so any point on x-axis. So any point on y-axis is of the form. So y-axis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ y-axis ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ x0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0, y ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ y-axis is of the form of 0, y. ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ x-axis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ x, 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ p of xy, this is p of, this equal p of x, y. So now we will use the formula, that is we have to find the ratio, that is m1 and m1 is to m2. What is m1 is to m2? We have to find it. So p of x, y equals, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and this is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So now we can equate. So the point P of xy is given as, so here this is 0 comma y, so this is 0 comma y. So 0 comma y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is equal to the first term and y is equal to this term. So now equating, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 equals to 0. So what is x2? m1 x2, this is point x1 y1, this is x2 y2. What is x2? x2 is 8, so m1 into 8 plus this is m2 into x1 is minus 4. When we multiply this onto right hand side, this becomes 0 only. So this is m1, 8 m1 minus 4 m2 equals 0. Transfer this 4m2 onto right hand side, this is 8 m1 equals 4 m2. So now reshuffle the terms, that is transfer this m2 onto this side and 8 onto this side. That is m1 divided by m2 equals 4 divided by 8. So 4 ones are 4 twos are, therefore m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. So what is the answer here? 1 is to 2 is the answer, that is option D is the right answer. So next question, the point P 1 comma 2, this is P of xy, P of x comma y. Now divides the join of A minus 2 comma 1 and B 7 comma 4 in the ratio. So again we have to find the ratio here. So point is given, that is dividing point is P 1 is to 2. So we will use the same formula, that is P of xy equals m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So we have to find the ratio here. So this is P of xy and this is x1 and this is y1, x2 y2. So we will substitute the values. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. P of xy is 1 comma 2 equals m1, that is m1 is m1, x2, what is the value of x2? 7 plus m2, what is the value of x1? minus 2 divided by m1 plus m2. Similarly m1 y2, what is the value of y2? y2 is 4 plus m2 y1 is 1 divided by m1 plus m2. We can equate now. So we can equate, that is this is equal to 1 and this is equal to 2. So we can equate any one. So we'll equate the second one, that is 4m1, this one I'm equating 4m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 equals to 2. So when we multiply, cross multiplication, that is 4m1 plus m2 equals, this should be multiplied here, 2 into m1 is 2m1 plus 2m2. So transfer this 2m1 onto left hand side and m2 onto right hand side, that is 4m1 minus 2m1 equals 2m2 minus m2. that is 2m1 equals m2. So now transfer this is 1m2. So when we transfer this m2 and 2 onto this side, that is m1 divided by m2 equals 1 over 2. So therefore m1 is to m2 equals 1 is to 2. So again this is option D. So 1 is to 2 in the ratio 1 is to 2. So next question, a point P divides the joining of point A, that is 5, 2 and the point B 9, 6 in the ratio 3:1. What are the coordinates of P? The question. So this is x1 and this is x2, this is x2, sorry, this is y1, x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is m1 and this is m2. So same thing we have to do here. We have to find the coordinates of the point. That is the formula is p comma xy is equals m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So we have to substitute the values here. This is equals m1 is 3 into x2. What is the value of x2? x2 is 6 plus m2 is 1 into x1 is 5 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 1 comma m1 is 3 into y2 is 6 so sorry, here m1 x2 is there, m1 x2 is, this is 9, so this is 9. So m1 y2, m1 is 3, y2 is 6 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is 2 divided by 3 plus 1. So now we have to multiply these terms. 9 3s are 27 plus 5 1s are 2. So this is m2 again, sorry for the disturbance. M2 is 1 m2 is 1 and y1, that is y1 is 5 divided by m1 plus m2 is 3 plus 1. So we will multiply here 27, 3 9s are 27 plus 5 1s are 5 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. So here 3 6 are 18 plus 5 1s are 5 divided by, and this is 3 plus 1 is 4. So I think this is y1, this is 2, y1 this is 2, sorry, this is 2. Now this is equal to 27 plus 5 is 32 divided by 4 comma, this is 18 plus 2 is 20 divided by 4. So 4 1s are 4 8s are 4 1s are 4 5s are. So p of xy, it is p of x comma y equals 8 comma 5. So this is the answer. So which option? 8 comma 5. So sorry, this is minus 2, I think so. this is minus 2. So this is minus 2, this will be minus 2, and this is 18 minus 2, that is 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4, so 8 comma 4. 8 comma 4. Option B is the right answer. So moving on to the next question. So what point on x-axis? So x-axis is equidistance from the points A 7 comma 6 and B minus 3 comma 4. So this is x-axis. So one point A is there, A, that is 7 comma 6 is there, one point. Another point is that is minus 3 comma 4, B minus 3 comma 4 is there. So these two are equidistant, so this distance is equal. So any point on x-axis, as we know, any point on x-axis is the form of x comma 0. So x comma 0. So these so suppose I call this as O. So OA and OB are at equidistance. So the distance, these distance distance ಏನಿರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ equal ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. So that is OA equals OB. So OA, what is OA? That is distance between x comma 0 and 7 comma 6. 7 comma 6 equals the distance between x comma 0 and minus 3 comma 4. So these two distances are equal. So we will solve for x here. So this is distance between these 2 points is given by square root of x2, that is 7 minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2, that is 6 minus 0 whole square is equal to x2 minus x1, that is minus 3 minus x minus 3 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 0 whole square. So these two are equal. We can cancel the roots here. These roots get cancels. So this is 7 minus x, a minus b whole square, that is 49 plus x square minus 14x plus 6 minus 0 is 6 only. 6 square is 36. This is equal to, this is minus minus can be cancelled, so that is 3 plus x whole square, that is 3 square is 9 plus x square plus 3 to the 6x plus 4 square, that is 16. Now we can cancel x square on both sides. So x square get cancels. Here 49 plus 36, 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 carry 1, 4 4 85. So this is minus 14x plus 85 equals, this is 6x plus 25. So now reshuffle the terms, transfer this 14x onto right hand side and 25 onto left hand side, that is 85 minus 25 equals 6x plus 14. This is 85 minus 5 minus 5 is 0, 8 minus 2 is 6, the 60 equals this is 6x plus 14x is 20x. So 60 divided by 20 equals x. So 21 are 23. So therefore x equals 3. So now what are the coordinates? So as we know, the coordinates are in the form of x comma 0. So we find out the value of x, and therefore the coordinates are 3 comma 0. This is the right answer. So option C is the right answer, 3 comma 0. So next question. So the distance of the point P of 4 comma minus 3 from the origin. So the distance from origin. So distance from origin is taken as d equals square root of x square plus y square. So this is the formula. This is x and this is y. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 16 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. Square root of 25 is equals 5 units. So answer is 5 units. Answer is option C. So next and the last one, the distance between the points A 2 comma minus 3 and B 2 comma 2. So we can use the formula that is D equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula to find the distance between any two points. This is x1 and this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So now we will substitute the values here. This is equals square root of, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. x2 is 2 minus x1 is 2, that is 2 minus 2 whole square plus y2 is again 2 minus y1 is minus 3 is there, minus of minus is plus 3 whole square. So this is 2 minus 2 is 0 square, 0 square we can leave it. So this is 2 plus 3, so this is 0 plus 2 plus 3 is 5 square. So 5 square, so this is equals square root of 25, this is equal to 5 units. So these are the some multiple choice questions on the chapter coordinates geometry. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಳೆ ಲೈವ್ ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒಂದು ಲೈವ್ ಸೆಷನನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.